bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan bàbá olóyin original. I'm saying at Yesota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesota. Don't forget I'm the publisher for these books. This is African Power, Honey as a Medicine, or the Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Woman Problems. My phone number is on the screen, 0810-8431-336. And the program you are watching today is Kini Show. Kini Show. Today, I want to teach you, if you know this stone, you are very lucky. See the stone. Yes, see. Very smooth, and see the shape. Those of you that we have seen the image of Sango before, this is what Yoruba call Edun Ara. It is called thunder stone. Thunder stone. How are you going to use it for protection? Then if you always get fear. Some people, when they are shooting their area, they do hey, they develop hypertension, and sometimes that hypertension can lead to stroke. Sometimes when motor get accident, some people say hey, and that time they can die because they will get hypertension. And that is why they always tell people, when you are inside commercial vehicles, don't sleep, because when anything happen, when the tire get a sponsor tire, they say hey. From that day, person can get hypertension, and those who are sleeping by that time, they can die instantly. This is Edun Ara. Yoruba call it Edun Ara, thunderstorm. You know the god of thunder, Sango, god of thunder. I don't know what you call it in your hometown or country, but in our place, when rain fall heavily, you know, there will be lightning. The rain normally fall this type of stone. How you will get it, how to use it, I tell you today. Don't forget my book, my new book, African Power Part 2 is on the way. African Power Part 2. It will be released in December by the special grace of God. Some people are asking for Part 2, but they never buy Part 1. I'm surprised. Then I want to tell you people, my fans and customers, if you need something, tell me the book you need. It is not when you buy African Power, then you will be telling me the thing you need is in only as a medicine. Nobody can attend to you for that one. It is not done anywhere in the world. I used to ask people, what do you want the book for? You tell me. I will know the book I will recommend for you. It is not when you buy this book, then you will be asking me what is in Solution to Woman Problems. I will tell you, I will refer you to that book as well. That is why when you want to buy a book, you will tell me your problems. I will tell you, like if you need book for African Power, you need it to reduce your sugar level. You need it for arthritis. I will recommend the book for you because the rules we are selling for arthritis, rheumatism, diabetes is in African Power book. But when your own problem is fibroid, you cannot see it in African Power book. So please help us take note of that. Help me, please. The stone, I come back to this stone now. This is thunderstone, Edun Ara, thunderstone. If you know this stone, you are lucky. If you go to any herb seller, they will sell for you. àwọn alágbo, they will sell for you. As you see like this, it's small, it's a little bit costly. So when you are always fear, when you are inside motor, some people they cannot drive because of fear. And some people when they reach checkpoints, when they stop them, when police ask them, where are your papers? Or VIO, road safety, where are your papers? They will be civil like this. It is not that they are not the owner of the vehicle. It is not because their papers are not correct, but because they always fear. So, but when you don't have fear, you come down confidently, my papers are correct. I'm the owner of my vehicles. These are my papers. I have driver license, I have insurance, I have sea caution, I have fire extinguisher, my motor. You come down confidently. But some people, they get all these things, but they will see shifting like this. And the police will suspect that it's a stolen vehicle. It is after they have checked finish that they will know, but where are you shifting? When you are the owner and you get your paper correctly, they will not say anything, they will not know what to say. So this is how to use this stone. I want to teach you. See, you will put this one on a stove. Or when you prepare a charcoal fire, when you prepare charcoal fire, you put stone on it. This stone, you put it on it. You buy your own, not this one, but this type. You will put it on charcoal or you put it on the stove. After some time, it will turn red. When it turn red, you will get palm oil. Palm oil. You put palm oil in aluminum cup or aluminum plate. Don't put it in a rubber plastic. It will damage that rubber plastic. But get aluminum plate or aluminum cup. Put oil. Put oil, palm oil, red palm oil, that cooking pot, cooking oil, red palm oil that you use to cook your soup. Put it inside the cup or aluminum cup or any aluminum plate. This red one that you have already put on stove, you know it has already turned red. You will put it on that palm oil. It will shout like this, hey! That's how your enemies will shout. When it cool down, when this stone, when it get cool down, you will take a spoon to remove it from that aluminum plate or aluminum cup. Then that palm oil you see, you will put it in another clean bottled water plastic or any plastic you can use. Always lick it every morning. You and your children, they can be licking it. It's for protection. Àfẹnití Ṣàngó pa ló lè kọ́lé ṣù, ló lè kọ́lé Ṣàngó. Àfẹnití Ṣàngó pa. So anybody, when you are taking it, you are taking protection. Yes, you and your children will be untouchable. You and your wife will be untouchable. Because this word, ayele èèyàn wà. Some people, they used to kill people. Some people can call somebody on phone. Mr. So, I want you to go and die today. The person will go and die. Yes, they can call somebody, go and buy petrol, put it on your body and get matches, light yourself. That's why you see some people, they will go to riverside, they want to commit suicide. It's only when God is ready to help them that somebody will rescue them. Some people used to call them, why you go and kill yourself today? The person will go and kill himself. They will say, when you go to express today, you see a trailer coming, why you go and jump on the road? The person will not hesitate. He will go, he will not refuse. So that's why you have to train your children to know how to talk to elders, not to talk anyhow. Yes, a person that is holding fire can never stand to settle quarrel with people. So persons should be very careful when dealing with elders. A word is enough for the wise. African Power Part 2 is coming by December, by the special grace of God. If you cannot come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota, I have branches in Lagos State. You can go to Mushin, number 4 Alokola Street, Mushin. You can go to Oshodi, number 6 Everett Way, number 6 Everett Way, Alasia bus stop Oshodi. You can go to Bariga, we have branch at number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. You can go to Surulere, number 5C Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Akerele Surulere. Number 5C Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Akerele Surulere. Or come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. When you are coming from Sango, under bridge, enter Maruwa that is going to Yanayesi. When you get to Yanayesi, then you are going to Baba Oloyin house. You just cross the road, take Okada or Maruwa to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesiota. When you are coming from Agbara, Owode Diroko, enter motor that is going to Ojuore, drop at Yanayesi. If you drop at Yanayesi, you don't need to cross road again. Take a bike. Tell them you are going to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Adebisi, Yesiota. My phone number again, 08108431336. And then don't forget to subscribe to my other channels. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Watch that station as well. And help me share these programs among friends and relatives. Have another channel, my son's station, my son's channel, Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. Help me subscribe to that channel as well. Then I will not go without thanking the person that are doing me fine. They are giving me something. The person that sent me camera, please help me send appreciation message to the person that all our ways God will take care of the rules. So we always succeed in her life. And those of you that are giving me money, I never stop my prayers. Anytime I'm praying, I always remember you in my prayers. Till next time when you meet me again, don't forget African Power Part 2 will be released in December. Will be released in December. I'm very loaded. Akoya. Akoya OCC. You will see it there. Yes. Ọmọdé mọ̀ rí fi àgbà mọ̀ yàn mí jẹ. Ó wà ń bẹ̀. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.